Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. First things first, Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope everyone has an amazing year. I know 2020 was kind of but hopefully 2021 is the year for everyone. Again, if you still want to start a vending machine business, I do have a vending machine course that teaches you everything you have to know. I will have the link down below. It's a new year, time to start your own vending machine business. But anyways, with that being said, I know I haven't posted.
Oh, here we go again. You apologizing over and over for not posting.
Hey, look guys, just because I haven't posted on this channel doesn't mean I haven't been posting content. If you guys didn't know, me and my girlfriend do have a second channel where we post like pranks and challenges. And for December, we almost posted every single day. But anyways, today's video is gonna be very exciting because we got another vending machine location, but not just any location, we got another hotel. The thing about it though is that we're only putting in a snack machine, not the drink machine. And I wasn't gonna take it, but I was like, you know what? You never know if it's gonna do good. So we're gonna drop off the snack machine. Hopefully it does good. We're gonna come back a week later and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much money the machine has made in about a week. And also a quick heads up, I know a lot of people want to know how much my vending machine business made in 2020, so I might be posting that video in the next few days. But with that being said, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go and let's drop off a machine at the hotel. Alright everyone, so right now we just finished loading the machine onto the truck. Check it out. Again, it is just a regular snack machine. We got the credit card reader up there in the front. And yeah, we got the product inside the truck. You ready?
I'm ready.
Hopefully it's a good location, right?
I honestly feel like it will be. It's a motel.
Yeah, but like we only have the snack. But again, like I said, the goal is to put the snack machine in and then hopefully later on he lets us put the drink machine.
Did he ask for commission?
Yeah, so we are paying commission. I mean, with any hotel, almost most of the time, you're always gonna be paying commission, but it is a hotel, so we'll see how it does. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't fall off in the middle of the freeway. We got the dolly on there, and it should be good.
Let's go.
Okay everyone, so we just made it to the motel, but there's one issue. I think he's gonna want the machine outside because he has his snack machine outside. And if he wants it outside, I mean, that's gonna be a big problem because snack machines aren't supposed to be outside. So, and look, you can see all the stuff, it's all faded. Look at the chips. Bruh. Look at the crackers, it's all nasty. So I'm gonna go tell him like, yo, if you want the machine outside, like it's gonna break. Like I'm pretty sure this is the reason why this one doesn't work.
Yes, how are you?
Good, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, terrible. So, this is the snack machine you were talking about?
Yeah, that's the one that I was talking about. The plug on it is the only thing that's messed up.
I mean, how much did you want to sell it for?
Depends on how much you want to buy it for.
Alright, you guys, so right now we're finna get the dolly. That way we can move the older machine that he has, get it out the way, and put the new machine in.
How do you listen to it again?
Yo, how do you... I feel like I should know how to do this.
You don't though. I forgot how to do it. Show us how to do it. I don't know.
Yo, shout out to my sister-in-law.
Tu cuñada.
Mi cuñada for helping us out.
Oh, shit.
Always been me, I'm poppin'. I ain't really here for the gossip, nah. Blah, 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 yeah, I'm try to play me, but you tried it. Way too wavy, gotta ride it. Pull up on you, yeah, we sliding. Make our eyes roll when I slide in. Neck on wrist on shaman. Tell them say less, no comment. And we only here for the commas.
Ay, pull up and how about we slide? Loaded away from beside these be lines. Skating on days we glide. I'm hitting that in the drive.
My hands gotta look like this, so yours can look like that, baby.
How?
So dirty. Dang, they're all ashy.
You wanna know what I just realized?
What?
The snack machine's gonna be outside and we brought a bunch of chocolate.
Oh yeah.
And the sun is facing right at the machine. You brought all the same flavor.
That wasn't me, that was her. You told me? No.
Dress it up, yeah, I be styling. Eat up the drip, she be dining. Straight to the top, she be climbing. We the ones that they admire. All of these expire. Ice on the boss and we hire. Raising the hood where it's ours. They hopping on ship like a pirate.
Hey, hey, driving the boat and I came for the loot and the tragedy. Be hating, do better. Dropping them ashes, done burn me a hole in my sweater. I'm stingy, I'm holding this cheddar.
Holding this cheese, living more better. Smoking these doobies with Xavier. We keep the gravy. Yeah, we too groovy. We keep it unruly. Know it's yours truly. Smoke a big head, call it Stewie. Bad chick wanna do me. Thick and she coolly. She busted open like a Uzi. I busted, then I'm back to duty. Call of Duty, I'm online with it. Took my time with it. Watch the operators, they be plotting. Don't go with the gang.
Hey, some more?
Yeah.
There we go. Out of all the things, you went for some grandma cookies?
I'm hungry. I didn't get breakfast.
Hey, what's up everyone? So it's been a few days, almost a whole week since we went and dropped off the machine. But as you guys can see, we actually bought the snack machine that they had at that location, which it didn't work. Why did I buy it?
Why did you do it?
I don't know. I honestly just bought it because, I don't know.
Bruh.
But he said the only issue was that the plug didn't work.
That's a pretty big issue.
But also, I don't have the keys to the machine. I kind of forgot to ask for them, so it's locked. I have no idea what's inside. I don't even know if there's money inside, which there probably is.
I mean, if there's still product in there, there has to be money.
I mean, look at all this. It looks all nasty. The bags are all faded. Like, there's product in here, so there has to be money. Let's open it up.
Is it open?
Yes. Guys, this is a very cheap log. It was only a couple minutes in. I mean, it looks like a normal machine. The first thing I want to check is these bags. I want to see how old they are.
It's like 3 months ago.
They still look normal. Look at this.
Eat it. You're gonna get sick.
It doesn't taste good. I don't know if it's because they're old or because they're veggie steaks. One of them. Okay, so I do see coins in the coin mix, so there is some money in the machine. No, there's no bills. No.
He's smarter than that.
Okay, now time for the coin bucket. 75 cents.
Bruh.
Not even for a bottle of water. Here. But just like I said, the coin mech does have coins. It's almost full actually. There's maybe like 20 bucks in coins. Do you think it's gonna work?
No.
You don't think so?
I really don't think so.
They had the machine outside. Most likely it's not gonna work because it got wet. But let's see if it works. Okay. It turned on.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
Did you flip the switch?
Yes, I flipped the switch. Oh my god, so it does actually work.
Look, even the lights.
Yo, hopefully the guy's not watching because we got this machine for a really good deal. Yeah, look. The screen turns on, the light bulb works, the buttons work.
It's gonna work. Just take my money.
It's not gonna work.
Yes,
Chill.
it is. ¿Ya ves?
I didn't know what I was gonna do with this machine if it didn't work because it's so heavy. Like, even if I wanted to throw it away, where do I throw a vending machine away?
I have no idea.
Hello, this is Jaime? Yes. Oh, the machine's taking people's money? It's a drink machine, right? Okay. Yeah, I'll be right there. I'll check it out and I'll take care of it. Yeah, thanks for the heads up. Bye. Okay guys, so I just got a call from one of our vending machine locations. They're telling me that the drink machine is not giving people back the right change. If you think about it, that's not really a problem for us because we're getting more money. They're the ones losing money. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. So right now I do have a couple coin mechs in the back. We're gonna go to that location. We're gonna replace the part and hopefully that fixes the issue. But first, before we head out, if you guys didn't know, we did open up a PO box. So if you guys want to send us any weird chips, any soda, any snacks, anything you guys want, I will have the address down below. And right here I actually have a package from somebody, and this person actually works for Coke.
That's cool.
Yeah, so it's a bunch of, I think it's hats, shirts and stuff like that.
So basically like the merch.
Kind of like merch, I think. Okay, so for the first item, oh, look at this.
It's a hat.
It's a nice little Dr. Pepper. Wait, did I say the guy who works for Coke or Dr. Pepper?
You said Coke.
Yo, this is actually pretty cool. Established in 1885. Nice little hat. You guys know I can't rock hats, but
El paisa ya llegó.
it's chill. Okay, next up we got, oh, is it a beanie?
Oh, it is.
I don't wear beanies, my girlfriend does, so this is probably for you.
Yay.
It's pretty cool. Okay, next up we got
A fanny pack?
a little fanny pack. Look at this.
Hey.
Yo, fun fact about me, guys, I love merch by Coke, Dr. Pepper. I think it's because I sell their items. I don't know, but I just think it's pretty cool.
That's
Look at
actually
this.
cool.
Coca-Cola, Southwest Beverages, thank you, heroes. Also, it's another hat. Coca-Cola, that one's pretty cool. Oh, we got some
Oh,
gloves.
that's cool.
Oh, we finally got some gloves. We got the hats and then the cute little
The polar bear.
the polar bear by Coca-Cola. Yo, this is pretty cool. No, they don't fit me.
Really?
They don't fit me.
Loser.
Oh man, yo, these were dope. Jaime and Liz, hope you are doing good. Here's a little package of goodies for y'all and mask. Wash before using.
Oh.
Were they used or? Yeah, have a great Christmas. My fiance and I love your videos. Been subscribed since 3K.
Wow.
Search Drake Jingle Bells Happy Holidays. There you guys go. Go listen to the song on Apple Music, Spotify. Show him some love. My guy, thank you for all the stuff. We appreciate it. And
Thank
yeah.
you.
Alright, yeah, so I did bring 2 coin mix just because I have no clue if any of these work. So we're gonna test both of them out. So we do have a bunch of snacks on the crate. We didn't bring any drinks because nobody has been buying anything from the drink machine.
Oh, that's right. Because of the coin mech.
Yes, because the coin mech is taking people's money, so nobody wants to use it.
There's one selection.
Alright everyone, so here we are. Obviously we don't have to fill up the machine. We only brought some stuff just because, you know, we came either way. We're not going to be collecting the money today because it's only been a few days, but I will give you guys a quick sneak peek. So this is the snack machine.
I was ready to try it out.
Here pues, ándale, try it out.
It's like 10 bucks in here. And
So yeah, right now we're going to get the snack machine topped off and then we'll go ahead and fix the drink machine. Yeah, so these are almost sold out. The M&M popcorn. This time we got the Twix popcorn. But yeah, people have been liking these so far. You like the left or the right Twix?
you always gotta go with right.
Let me know down below. Which one do you guys pick? Left or right? All right, here we go. Last bag. Quick tip for everyone getting into the business. If you have a thick bag, like the Doritos one, and you have a small coil, you want to flip the bag upside down. Put all the chips on top. That way you have empty space in the bottom. And it easily goes right in. And if you guys haven't started your vending business and you want to, you guys already know, go down below and check out the vending machine course. Okay everyone, so again, the issue with this machine was that people were putting money in, but they were not getting the correct change. The Gatorades are $1.50. I should be getting back $3.50. There's 1, 2, 3, $3.50. It's right. Alright, yeah, so we are finna hit out right now. I'm not gonna change the coin mech. I think the problem was that it was out of coins. It had no quarters. So I think that's why people weren't getting their change back. But we filled it up. Hopefully it's good now. And yeah.
Where are the keys?
In my pocket.
Which pocket? I don't think they're there, baby.
Hazte way.
Come here. Is it in the front one?
Hey, get this in the jacket one. You gotta be professional.
I am being professional.
All right, where are your keys at? Turn around.
They're right here.
Turn around.
They're right here. Hey, no, they're right here.
All right, guys, let's go get some food. Hey everyone, so we're finally back home and that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. We hope everyone did enjoy. Again, we're sorry we didn't post for a while, but it's a new year, it's a new us. Head ass. No, but for real, we hope you guys did enjoy. Again, Happy New Year's to everyone. And just like I said, we are gonna be going back to the hotel location maybe a week later so we can see exactly how much it makes. Hopefully it does good, but I will tell you guys right now, I have been checking it on my phone and it doesn't look that good so far. But we can't judge it yet, so we're gonna wait and we're just gonna cross our fingers that it's a good location. But with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video. Go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and peace out.
Bye.